Question 2, they want to know where on the graph can we multiply f of x with g of x and get a negative number. So the only way we can get a negative number is if either g of x is negative and f of x is positive, or f of x is positive and g of x is negative. We are talking about the y values. Now, let's look at the graph, the orange graph, our cos graph here. We can see it is positive, and our sine graph up until this point is negative. So these two, if you multiply the y values here, you would get a negative number. So that one correlates. And then we are then looking for a place. Okay, if we look over here, up until this point over there, you will see that my cos graph is negative and my sine graph is positive. They have two different signs, therefore they will give me a negative. So it's that region over there and this region over there. Let's write it out. We can write it out as x is an element between a negative 90 to 0, right? And there's an end at 0.45 degrees over here up until positive 90, or we can write it as x is actually not equal to, because we're using open brackets, so minus 90. There's no equal to in our question, so minus 90 to 0, and or, but it's and showing, and or when x is in between 45